Welcome to today's stock market update, where we dive into the latest developments and give you insights on how the market is shaping up, especially when it comes to Nvidia, NVDA. Today, we're talking about Nvidia's exciting growth streak, what's driving it, and what we can expect in the near future. I'm your host, and we're breaking it all down step by step. So, let's jump in. Let's talk about the summary on Nvidia Stock. Nvidia has been making headlines for all the right reasons lately. The stock surged by 4% on Tuesday, marking the fifth consecutive day of gains. What's driving this? A lot of it has to do with Wall Street's strong support and enthusiasm for Nvidia's advancements in artificial intelligence, AI. Top analysts from KeyBank, Citi, Bernstein, and more reiterated their buy ratings, giving investors even more confidence in Nvidia's future. The star of the show, Nvidia's new Blackwell AI chips, which are expected to bring in a whopping $7 billion in fourth-quarter revenue alone. Analysts have raised their fiscal year 2025 sales outlook for Nvidia to $130.6 billion, beating Wall Street's consensus estimate of $125.6 billion. Nvidia's leadership in AI chip production and its partnerships with major companies like Foxconn show just how deep their impact runs in the tech world. In the past year, Nvidia stock has skyrocketed by nearly 190%, and this trend doesn't seem to be stopping anytime soon. The combination of hardware demand, software expansion, and growing partnerships makes Nvidia one of the hottest stocks in the tech sector right now. What are the chances? Is the market positive or negative for Nvidia? When it comes to Nvidia, the market is overwhelmingly positive. In the past week alone, shares have risen by around 14%, fueled by growing demand for AI chips and bullish sentiment from analysts. The broader market, especially the tech sector, has also seen gains, with the Nasdaq and PHLX Semiconductor Index both rising by over 1%. One major reason for this positivity is the potential for increased AI investment. OpenAI's $6.6 billion funding round is a strong signal that the AI sector is not slowing down, which directly benefits companies like Nvidia, whose chips power these advanced technologies. Another positive factor is Nvidia's new partnership with Foxconn to build the world's largest factory assembling their AI servers in Mexico. This move is seen as a smart play, diversifying Nvidia's manufacturing away from China amid rising trade tensions. As the AI market expands globally, Nvidia is positioning itself at the center of this wave of innovation. What is the next update from the company? So, what can we expect from Nvidia in the near future? All eyes are on their upcoming quarterly earnings report, which is expected to deliver another strong performance. Analysts believe Nvidia will continue to outperform as demand for AI chips like the H100, H200, and the new Blackwell chips remains strong. In addition to their hardware, Nvidia is also focusing on expanding its AI software offerings. During their AI summit, the company showcased how its AI software can help businesses beyond just the chip sector. This push into software is part of Nvidia's strategy to diversify its revenue streams and prove that it is more than just a chip maker. We'll also see updates on Nvidia's collaboration with Foxconn, particularly around their joint efforts to build Taiwan's fastest supercomputer. The company is clearly not slowing down and continues to make strategic moves that will likely fuel further growth. What's next? Nvidia's future plans. Nvidia is planning big moves for the future, which makes it one of the most exciting stocks to watch. Their roadmap includes ramping up the production of their Blackwell chips and working with global partners like Foxconn to build cutting-edge supercomputers. One of the major future catalysts for Nvidia is its AI-driven software. The company is actively positioning itself as a leader in AI software, not just hardware. This shift could open up new avenues for growth as more industries integrate AI into their operations. Furthermore, Nvidia is benefiting from a strong pipeline of demand for AI chips, fueled by startups, enterprises, and even governments investing heavily in AI infrastructure. As AI becomes increasingly mainstream, Nvidia's role in this transformation will only grow. The stock outlook: going up or down? There's a lot of optimism surrounding Nvidia's stock, but with that comes volatility. Most analysts believe the stock still has room to grow, especially with the AI market expanding rapidly. However, there are risks that could cause short-term fluctuations. Right now, Nvidia seems well positioned for continued growth. Key drivers include the rising demand for AI chips, expanding software solutions, and their global partnerships. However, investors should brace for some ups and downs due to market volatility and broader economic conditions. The stock has already gained 190% in the past year, and while it may continue climbing, it's essential to keep an eye on the broader tech sector and the AI industry, which could experience bubbles or corrections. What are the risks to consider? Like any investment, Nvidia comes with its own set of risks. One of the biggest risks for Nvidia is the potential slowdown in AI spending if companies start pulling back on investments due to macroeconomic factors. Additionally, trade tensions between the US and China could create supply chain disruptions for Nvidia, although the company is actively working to reduce its reliance on Chinese manufacturing by partnering with companies like Foxconn to build factories in other regions. Another risk is competition. While Nvidia is the leader in AI chips right now, companies like AMD and Intel are also pushing forward with their own innovations. It's important to keep an eye on how Nvidia navigates this competitive landscape. Lastly, the stock's valuation is relatively high, which means it's more susceptible to market corrections. If the broader tech sector sees a downturn, Nvidia's stock could face some pressure. My conclusion: to sum it up, Nvidia is one of the most exciting tech stocks right now, with strong momentum in the AI space. Wall Street remains bullish, and the company continues to deliver on both hardware and software innovations. While there are risks, Nvidia's leadership in AI, strong partnerships, and growing demand for its chips make it a compelling investment for those looking to capitalize on the AI revolution. As always, it's important to stay informed and keep an eye on the latest updates from the company and the broader market. Nvidia is on a roll, and if the AI market continues to grow as expected, there's a good chance Nvidia will keep climbing. Thank you for tuning in to this stock update. See you next time with more updates. Till then, please share and subscribe.